say goodbye? Did you come to make it right? Did you come to say goodbye? Did you come to say goodbye? Did you come to say goodbye? Sleepwalk, sleepwalk. Where did you go? Did you come to make it right? Did you come to say goodbye? Did you come to make it right? Did you come to say goodbye? Did you come to say goodbye? Did you come to say goodbye? Sleepwalk.
I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and tell me what your favorite part of the spread is down below. This is the Galaxy Faraway kit from Whimsical Plans. I will have her shop link down below so you can pick up this kit or a kit similar to it, because I love the way that Whimsical Plans lays out her clip art. That's why she's my favorite shop on Etsy, and this kit turned out so awesome. This kit I laid out for my dad's birthday. Happy birthday, Dad! Because he is a Star Wars fiend, and so I thought he would appreciate this type of kit for his birthday, even though his birthday isn't until next week. But regardless, I wanted to use this kit during the month of March because of it, and I think it turned out so cool. And I just want to give a shout out to Sunflower Soul, Crystal Phyllis, and Theadia for commenting in my last few planner videos. I've been slacking on that. I really appreciate when you guys comment, so don't be afraid to comment down below, and so you get a shout out in next week's video. And since you made it to the end of this week, you get a sneak peek of next week. So the whole reason that I didn't use this kit for my dad's birthday next week is because I want next week to be filled with this kit from the Glam Planner, which is Las Vegas themed. And if you're wondering, yes, I'm going to Vegas. So obviously I had to use a Vegas kit for the week that I go to Vegas. And if you want to see when I do upload this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every single time I post a video, and so you officially become part of the Ivy League. Until next time, this has been Ivy. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I see you in my next video. Bye!